It's me again. If just throwing out a video for my channel, I guess you can call this a channel advertising video. If you're new to my channel, come check it out. I'm doing all kinds of stuff. I have a bit of woodwork. I'm not a good woodworker. A little bit of metal work. A whole bunch of tool reviews. Me making things, welding, grinding, chopping stuff up, finding deals on tools and putting them in the pile over there. Fixing stuff, scrapping things. Like I have an old thing here to scrap. Probably a lot of scrapping, and just having fun. Me keeping doing what I'm doing. So if you are new to my channel, come check it out. I have tons of videos. Basically, it's my own little, my own little vlog. It's not really like one of these. I don't really have a channel where I pick a project and I sit there and I make this wonderful YouTube video. It's just me doing stuff on the weekends when I got free time and just keep doing them. So unlike some of the real bigger name channels, they have a project, they record it for, I don't know, probably a whole day, fix it, and boom, it's one video. Me, it's work on a couple hours, record it, put it up in the video. Next Thursday, I'll come back in here and record some more. So anyway, if you think you like my channel, check out some of my, I have a huge amount of YouTube videos. I have a ton of videos. I like doing shorts. They're fun and interesting. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.